Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main top on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Now unthread the front bracket screws securing the main top. Unthread the 2 screws underneath the rear corners of the top. Lift off both grates. Remove all 5 burner caps and burner bases. You can now unthread the screws securing the orifice holders to the main top. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the top. Now unthread the screws securing the vent trim to the old top. Prepare the new main top for installation by positioning the vent trim and securing it with the screws. Position the new main top on the frame so the spark electrodes protrude through the holes in the top. Confirm that the orifice holders are aligned, then thread and tighten the screws to secure the holders to the main top. Replace each burner base in its proper location by aligning the notch in the base with the spark electrode. Replace the burner caps. Reposition the grates. Thread the 2 rear screws to secure the main top. Replace the front bracket screws. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.